We are Thames Community College, and we are the creators of TMS National Debate. We hope you enjoy a movie we created about global warming and how we are the cause of it, because we do not put the right things in the right bins, and we have caused pollution. We hope you enjoy. Hello, and welcome to TMS National Debate. Today, we are here to discuss cities being overrun by smog, forests consumed by fire, and oceans slowly dying. Today, I have three individuals tasked with saving our planet, and I'm here to put the hard questions to them. So, people are saying you're not really doing your jobs correctly. How would you respond to this? My goodness!
Look how much things shouldn't be in there. We're tired of being blamed for your mistakes.
This is all your fault. You had one job: rubbish into the rubbish bin, recycling into me, and compost into compost.
So that's how you pronounce your names.
You've done this to rubbish, to yourselves, and to the planet. It's not our fault, it's your fault. It's yours.
Security, bring the bin man in here. Hi. Hi everyone. I'm very sorry for the incident that's happened today on my show. Tune in next week as we question the Gardaí on whether they are responsible for crime or they are part of crime themselves.
Hi, we're St. Angela's and we made a short film called Through the Straw, and it's about how sustainability isn't a trend and it won't go away overnight, and so we hope you enjoy. Hi!
Hello, we are students of St. Patrick's College, Rochestown, and we made a movie called Enough Talk. It is about two people arguing about littering. We hope you enjoy it.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you littering? Doesn't even make a difference. Doesn't make a difference. Do you not know what it does to global warming? Global warming? I don't even believe in that. Follow me. Shut up! Are we still on about this? Do you know how much rubbish is thrown out every day? One rapper doesn't make a difference. People like you are the reason why the art is what it is. Trying to blame everything on me.
Listen up, both of you. I don't want to be a landfill, so why don't you stop arguing and take some action?
Hi, we are the students of Mount Mercy College.
I'm Herlene.
I'm Farah.
And I'm Maren.
We made the film
SOS Earth.
The film is about climate change and the effects of it in the future.
It is set in a school with one main character.
And at the end we have a special guest. We hope you enjoy the film.
Thank you.
Hey guys, just back from my geography class. It was so boring, all about climate change. I'm so done with all of this. All I care about is my Shein package arriving soon. Well, I've got to go back to class now. Bye.
Attention, attention. Evacuate the school. Oxygen levels are critical. Evacuate the school.
Hello, we are transition year students for Douglas Community School, and this is our short film called Doomsday. The film is about a time traveller who travels back to the past and is trying to warn people about the damage climate change can cause through his use of social media. We hope you really all enjoy the movie. Thank you.
Hey, have you seen this guy? Some strange guy claiming to be a time traveler from the future.
It's your last chance to save 2024. Please, you need to listen to me.
He sounds like a right dope.
Hey, put that phone away, or else I'll take it.
I have to tell you to take action now. Look at what you caused. There's still time to fix this. Please.
The guy just doesn't stop. I don't believe any of it. Maybe you shouldn't do that.
Feck, what's the worst that could happen?
Scientists are now saying it is too late to reverse the Earth's overheating. If only we had acted sooner. If only we had more time.
I guess he was right.
Hey! Oh, I told you to put that...
So is he really from the future? I think the future might now be the present.